Hey everyone, it's Angela, and today we're making my cutest can be bunny butt cupcakes. Yes, they're wonderful for Easter, but they're just as much fun to make anytime this spring. You're going to need a box of cake mix, and we're going to make these really sturdy so that they're easy to handle, especially if you've got kids making this with you. So we're going to add some flour and some sugar and a bit of salt, and then we're going to whisk these together and make a well in the center for the wet ingredients. Once you've made that well, we're going to add the milk, little bit of oil or melted butter, vanilla extract, and 1, 2, 3 large eggs plus Greek yogurt or sour cream. Mix that all up until your batter is incorporated, but you don't need to mix it until it's smooth. Lumpy batter is best so that you don't have a dense cake. Portion out the batter into your muffin tins, 2/3 to 3/4 cup full, and then you're going to bake them at 350 for about 15 to 18 minutes. Typically, mine are done at 18. Let them cool, and we're gonna make the buttercream frosting. You can use store-bought frosting, whatever frosting you wanna use. Like, your cupcakes could be chocolate, yellow, or white, and your frosting, I would suggest white vanilla frosting for this so that the, sprinkles look right. So I'm gonna mix this up real fast. I beat my butter for 2 to 3 minutes before I start adding my powdered sugar and my heavy cream. I alternate those until I have a nice fluffy frosting. Then to decorate, we're going to do some sanding sugar, whatever colors you want in your bowls here. Do a little thin layer of frosting on each of your cupcakes and dip them in to the sanding sugar to coat the top. I do this um, all the way through all the cupcakes, and then I start decorating the bunny feet. For the bunny feet, you want to cut each of your large marshmallows in half. We're going to decorate the cut sides, the sticky side. I'm using icing gel that I bought. You can see that here. I do 1, 2, 3 pads, and then the larger pad at the bottom. I mean, if you wanted to add a fourth toe, you could, but you don't need to. It fits about right to do the three. And then I decorate all of these until they're all done because it's going to be much simpler to go through and ice these on the back and apply them to each of your cupcakes. So once these are all done, don't put your feet on wrong. I did it backwards. You'll see that in a second here. I had to flip them around before serving. So use a little bit of your frosting on the back of your cut marshmallows and stick them onto the bottom of each of your cupcakes. And then, as you can see, I actually like the appearance better when you tear apart the small marshmallow, the mini marshmallow, to make the little bunny butt. There you go. They look so cute. Everyone's gonna love these. They're perfect for parties, of course, for Easter. Yeah, I missed that. But these were great for our Easter, and I know everyone's gonna love them for your next party too. Be sure to bookmark and come back to Bake It with Love because we have so many recipes that we love sharing with you. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.